guys, welcome back to Foxy. My name is Pooja and I'm a freelance makeup and beauty expert. Beautiful and shiny hair always leaves a good impression, which is why it's very important to take good care of your hair. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how we can maintain our hair at home. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to understand that why is it important to maintain hair? It's because the hair gets very damaged because it's exposed to a lot of heat and resistant, like how we get our blow dries done or how we get ironing done or curls done. So जो भी हम products हम use करते हैं, जो भी equipments use करते हैं, इससे बाल हमारे बहुत dry होते हैं और बहुत frizzy हो जाते हैं, right? So also we are using a lot of color, so be it ammonia free or ammonia color, both kind of cause some sort of a damage to the hair, making it look very dry and very brittle, right? So it's very important to actually take care of your hair. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you a few points that you can keep in mind while taking care of your hair in this lockdown. Since we don't have access to the salons outside, I think one thing that I really miss in this lockdown is to get nice hair spas done, and those head massages and everything. Obviously वो सब नहीं कर सकती हूँ, but अब जो भी possible है घर पे उसको मैं ज़रूर करती हूँ. So I have a little oily scalp, so which makes it that I wash my hair about 2 to 3 times a week. It becomes very important to cleanse my hair like that. And because I have colored hair, so it's very important for me to use a very nice conditioner or a mask on my hair. So shampoo करके जब आप conditioner और mask लगाते हैं, उसको 5 मिनट के लिए हल्के से warm towel में अपने hair को wrap around कर लीजिए और उसको छोड़ दीजिए. इससे क्या होगा, जो conditioner है वो actually आपके hair में absorb होना शुरू हो जाएगा. So it's going to make the hair become more shiny and become more smooth. So this is something that you can do 2 to 3 times a week. Also, I don't believe in oiling my hair too much because मुझे लगता है जितना मैं oil लगाऊंगी उतनी जोर से मैं अपने scalp को massage करूंगी to actually remove that oil. So which might end up causing a lot of breakage. And वैसे भी we are in this change of season, right? So hair breakage is a very very common thing. So इसलिए मैं avoid करती हूँ to kind of use that. Also, one thing I really like to do with my hair is to apply hair masks. There are a lot of videos available on Foxy as well. But one of my favorite hair masks that I use on a regular basis is a mask which is made out of yogurt and honey. So you can take about, एक कटोरी दही ले सकते हैं, उसमें आप about 4 चम्मच honey को mix करके उसका अच्छा सा paste बना के आप अपने बालों में लगा सकते हैं. So जो yogurt है, that will help आपके scalp को थोड़ा cool रखने में because we are in a hot season. Also अगर आपको कोई dandruff related problem है तो yogurt उसको भी treat करता है. And honey is very important because honey makes your hair very smooth and it brings a very beautiful shine to the hair. So this is something that I do at least once a week, that I apply this mask on my head and then I leave it on for 30 minutes and then I wash my hair using a shampoo and a conditioner. Also, जब आप अपना hair wash करते हैं, so please try to do it with cold water. Hot water is going to make it very brittle and it's going to make it look very dry. So washing and rinsing your hair with cool water is very very important. Apart from this, a well-balanced diet is definitely what is the need of the hour. For good hair growth, you can include a lot of eggs, carrots, nuts in your diet, green leafy vegetables in your diet, because that is also going to give a lot of protein to your hair. Also, whenever you're using your shampoo and conditioner, please use one which is suitable for your hair type. Something for oily hair is going to be different for dry hair, right? A lot of people have dry scalps and a lot of people have oily scalps. So one needs to use the shampoo and conditioner accordingly. Also, by experience, I've always felt that when you use shampoo and conditioner of the same line, it is always more effective, maybe because it's made of the same formulation that your particular hair type needs. So try using it of the same brand. And also, be very careful with wet hair as to how you comb them and don't be very harsh on your hair. So these are certain things that you can keep in mind while you're combing your hair and taking good care of your hair at home. Hope today's video was informative for you. For more such content, log on to Foxy. If you have not downloaded the app, please download it now. Till then, stay fab, stay foxy.